Unlock the hidden potential of Google Trends data and transform it into actionable insights with me. First, head over to Google Trends, type in your search term of interest and hit enter. Make sure to refine your location and time frame to get the most relevant data for your needs. Once you've customized your search, locate the download button. Usually represented by an arrow pointing downwards, click it. Google Trends will download the data as a CSV file. Open this file using your preferred spreadsheet software like Google Sheets, Excel, or Numbers. Now, let's get to the transformation. You might need to clean up your data. For example, ensure your date format is consistent. Select the date column. Go to the Format menu and choose Number, then Date, to standardize it. Filtering is your friend. Use the filter function to isolate specific time periods or compare data points effectively. Select your dataset. Then click Data and select Create a filter. Visualizations are key. Select the data you want to analyze. Then use the chart or graph tools in your spreadsheet program to create line graphs, bar charts, or other visualizations to help you understand trends and patterns. Experiment with different chart types to best represent your data. A line graph is great for showing trends over time, while a bar chart is useful for comparing different categories. For more advanced analysis, you can copy and paste your clean data into statistical software like R, Python, or SPSS. These tools allow for in-depth statistical modeling and forecasting. And that's it. You've successfully extracted and transformed Google Trends data for further analysis. Now, go forth and uncover those hidden insights. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more data analysis tips and tricks.